Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use a new feature that is known as the Quick Order Cart. To use the Quick Order Cart, you must log in to your CMS Distribution Online account. I am currently on the home page. The Quick Order Cart is placed between the My Favorites and My Cart on the top of the header. I'm just going to click on Quick Order. This is what the page will look like on your screen. The reason for the quick order is to make it more accessible for customers who know what they want to purchase, and the purpose of this is for time efficiency. You can search by any CMS SKU number, search by the MPN and by the product name. It's a versatile tool for quick and precise ordering. The quick order has 3 options to choose from. For the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to use an example of the following CMS SKU 300540 for the first option, which is placed on the left-hand side of the page. As you can see, the CMS SKU 300540 has shown an image of the product and states the product name. You can add as many CMS SKUs, MPNs, and product names as you wish. For example, CMS SKU 295428 and 273505. Here are the following products, which will appear once I have entered the CMS SKU or MPN numbers which I am interested in. You can also add the quantity at the end of the column. Here I will show you as an example of how it operates. Once you are happy with what items are placed on the quick order, you can add the items to cart, which is placed below. When you click on Add to Cart, it will bring you straight to the shopping cart where you can increase or decrease the quantity. You can also remove the item altogether, or if you are unsure about the product but you would like to save it for later, you can add the quick order card items in My Favorites. Once you are happy and have all your products organized, you can proceed to checkout. This is how you use the first option of the Quick Order Cart. Now, it is time to show you how to use the second option of the Quick Order Cart. For the second option, if you have a list of CMS SKUs, copy and paste these CMS SKUs into this list. This list is for multiple CMS SKUs or MPNs. Please make sure there is a line space or a comma between each CMS SKU or MPN number. For this example, I will copy and paste the list which I have placed on a Word document. Click on Add to List. Now, the product name and image will appear back on the first option which we used at the start. Once you are happy with the product and the quantity of the products, click on Add to Cart. This is how you can use the second option of the Quick Order Cart. For the third option of Quick Cart, you can add a file from your folder. Please make sure it is a CSV file from Excel. If you have a file listed with CMS SKUs and MPNs with the correct quantities, you can upload the file and it will be added with the same product names and product images on the left column again. To use this feature, please click on Choose File and select the final CSV file to upload. As an example, I will choose a file which is placed in my folder already. Another way you can use this feature is to download a sample and list the products and quantities which you are interested in. Once you have completed this step, save the list as a CSV file and upload it. As you can see, once I have placed the correct file into this Add from File feature, I will receive the same quantity, same product image and product name which was previously listed on the CSV file. This is how you use the third option of the Quick Order Cart.